First, let's express both 8 and 4 as powers of 2. 8 is 2 cubed, and 4 is 2 squared. So we have 2 cubed to the power of 5 minus 2 squared to the power of 7. Now, apply the power of a power rule. That means we multiply the exponents. We get 2 to the power of 3 times 5 minus 2 to the power of 2 times 7. Simplifying the exponents gives us 2 to the power of 15 minus 2 to the power of 14. Now we can rewrite 2 to the power of 15 as 2 to the power of 14 times 2 to the power of 1. Then factor out the common factor of 2 to the power of 14. This gives us 2 to the power of 14 multiplied by the quantity 2 to the power of 1 minus 1. Simplify inside the parentheses. 2 to the power of 1 is just 2, so we have 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1, so we now have 2 to the power of 14 multiplied by 1. Multiplying by 1 doesn't change the value, so we are left with 2 to the power of 14. Finally, calculate 2 to the power of 14, which is 16,384. Thus, 8 to the power of 5 minus 4 to the power of 7 equals 16,384. Okay, first, express both 25 and 125 as powers of 5. 25 is 5 squared, and 125 is 5 cubed. So we have 5 squared to the power of 4 minus 5 cubed to the power of 2. Now, apply the power of a power rule, which means we multiply the exponents. We get 5 to the power of 2 times 4 minus 5 to the power of 3 times 2. Simplifying the exponents gives us 5 to the power of 8 minus 5 to the power of 6. Now, we can rewrite 5 to the power of 8 as 5 to the power of 6 times 5 to the power of 2. This helps us factor. Factor out the common factor of 5 to the power of 6. This gives us 5 to the power of 6 multiplied by the quantity 5 squared minus 1. Simplify inside the parentheses. 5 squared is 25, so we have 25 minus 1. "25 minus 1 is 24, so we now have 5 to the power of 6 multiplied by 24. 5 to the power of 6 is 15,625, so we have 15 625 multiplied by 24. Finally, calculate 15. 625 times 24, which is 375,000. Thus, 25 to the power of 4 minus 125 squared equals 375,000. First, let's express 49 as a power of 7. 49 is 7 squared. So we have 7 squared to the power of 3 minus 7 to the power of 5. Now, apply the power of a power rule. That means we multiply the exponents. We get 7 to the power of 2 times 3 minus 7 to the power of 5. Simplifying the exponents gives us 7 to the power of 6 minus 7 to the power of 5. Now, we can rewrite 7 to the power of 6 as 7 to the power of 5 times 7 to the power of 1. This prepares us to factor. Factor out the common factor of 7 to the power of 5. This gives us 7 to the power of 5 multiplied by the quantity, 7 to the power of 1 minus 1. Simplify inside the parentheses. 7 to the power of 1 is just 7, so we have 7 minus 1. 7 minus 1 is 6. So we now have 7 to the power of 5 multiplied by 6. Calculate 7 to the power of 5, which is 16,807. Now we have 16,807 multiplied by 6. Finally, calculate 16,807 times 6, which is 100,842. Thus, 49 to the power of 3 minus 7 to the power of 5 equals 100,842.